Hello again, welcome. My name is Ian Butterworth, and I'm an erotic vocal Foley artist. My job is to reproduce sounds for the adult film industry, and have done for the last 54 years. Foley trivia of the day: in sci-fi blockbuster Terminator 2, the sound of the T-800's crushing skulls underfoot was achieved by crushing pistachios. What a nutty industry! Let's see what we have today. The painful insertion. Not for the faint-hearted. Graham, are we ready? Okay, let's go for one. Oh no! Oh, not there! Ow! Blimey! Not too hard! Is that the right one? No, Graham, wait for it. You're massive! That was the one. And there it is. The magic of film. See you next time.